Welcome to Data Engineers Academy. Hello everyone. In this video, we'll solve an SQL question top to customers with highest sales every month. I'll explain the logic step by step, and then I'll show you how to execute this query in Snowflake. Let's first understand the question. We have a table called playground.sales that contains 3 columns: ID, month, and sales. Our objective is to identify the top 2 customers based on their total sales for each month. Finally, we need to display the results in ascending order of the month and then by rank. Now let's understand the sample data. For the month of January, customer 1 has sales of 500, customer 2 has 700, and customer 3 has 600. For February, customer 1 has 900, customer 2 has 400, and customer 3 has 800. Now let's move to the SQL query. The first part of the query uses a common table expression, or CTE. Inside the CTE, we select the customer ID and month. Next, we calculate the total sales using the sum function. This ensures that if a customer has multiple sales records within the same month, all those values are added together. After that, we use the dens_rank window function. Inside dens_rank, we partition the data by month. This means the ranking starts over for each month independently. Then we order the rows by the total sales in descending order so that the customer with the highest sales gets rank 1. We also include IDASC as a secondary sort condition. This provides consistent ordering whenever 2 customers have the same total sales. Since we are using dens_rank, customers with equal sales receive the same rank, and the next rank is assigned without skipping numbers. We group the data by customer ID and month because we are using the sum aggregate function. Once the CTE calculates the total sales and ranks, we move to the main query. Here, we simply select the customer ID, month, total sales, and rank from the CTE. Then we filter the results using where rank happy smiley 2. This keeps only the top 2 ranked customers for each month. Finally, we sort the output. The 2_date, month, more function converts the month abbreviation into a date value so that months appear in their proper calendar order instead of alphabetical order. We also sort by rank in ascending order so that rank 1 appears before rank 2 within each month. Now let's execute this query in Snowflake. Now I'll click the Run button to execute the query. The output displays the top 2 customers for every month. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Data Engineers Academy for more SQL and Snowflake interview questions. See you in the next video.